Panoorin ang mga kaganapan sa GMA Gala ngayong taon 2024, kung saan rumampa ang ilan sa It's Showtime host sa pangunguna na ni Vice Ganda. Nagkita rin sila dito ng mga dating kaibigan na sila Bea Alonzo, Billy Crawford, Kuya Kim Atienza, at marami pang iba.
Team, ay. Sir Ogie.
Wow, Sir Ogie. Hello. Wow. Vice, pwede pa picture, Vice? Pwede pa selfie, Vice?
Hello, Ryan.
Vice, pwede pa selfie? Thank you. Okay. Alright. Guys, one more here for the video. One more.
For the video, ayun for the video dapat gumagano.
Your hands lang, guys.
Video yan.
Video
Video yan eh.
John, who are you wearing tonight?
I'm wearing the Jaggy Glarin. Styled by Aaron Mangsay.
Thank you. Meme Vice, who are you wearing?
Baldrin Sahib.
Wow, style by?
Aaron Mangsay.
Hi! Who are you wearing tonight?
I'm wearing Bon Hansen, styled by Mac Mendoza.
Oh, what about you, Darren?
I'm wearing Francis Liberal.
Style by?
Myself.
Ah, my... Bea, who are you wearing, Bea?
Wearing Alaya.
Oh, style by?
Curator.
Panginones. Thank you.
Sorry po.
Miss Hart, who are you wearing?
Jill Batista.
Thank you.
No, dapat
Marian, who are you wearing?
Nicole and Felicia.
Oh.
Press from this side, favor. Thank you.
Bea.
Sir Jock.
DJ, CJ.
All the way out. All the way out. Exit.
One here. Here. Miss Bella. Yes, one here. Last but not least, Marian Rivera.
Hall of Fame awardee, of course, goes to Darcy. And we have one more. And then
Sincerity.
Yes, and no BS.
Yeah, no
I think.
BS.
No judgment and respect for one another.
Yeah.
And if you could give each other a love advice, what would it be?
I don't take love advice anymore.
We just love. We just love.
We just love.
In
I
our
mean,
time.
Life goes
Yeah.
on. We have our own timeline and that's it.
nyo ngayong taon dahil sunod-sunod ang mga biyayang binigay sa inyo ng Pinas.
Dalawa mic mo dapat, dalawa.
Siyempre, oh.
Sorry, ano ulit? Sorry, ano?
Ito lang. Maraming pinasasalamatan nyo sa mga blessings na talaga natatanggap nyo ngayong
Madami. Every day, punong-puno kami ng pasasalamat. Araw-araw na nakaka-ere kami. Kailangan ipagpasalamat yon. Patapos sa mga naranasan naming panahon ng walang kasiguruhan, kung makaka-ere pa, saan i-ere, sino i-erehan, may manunood pa ba. Araw-araw na sasagot namin, nakakakuha kami ng sagot sa mga tanong na yun. Kaya every day, we are so grateful. We thank God and we thank everyone na tinutulungan kami at inaalalayan kami sa muling pagbangon namin. Kaya maraming salamat.
Yes. I think congratulate din natin because Showtime is doing very well.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Malaking bagay na pinatuloy kami ng GMA.
That's right. Okay, syempre, you all look good this evening. Grabe yung mga outfits natin. Anybody you wanna thank for tonight for your outfits? Sige, let's start with
Naku, Sean, ako ito talaga nilulook forward niya yung matanong siya ng who are you wearing?
Yes. Kasi natin, who are you wearing?
I'm wearing Jaja Gabonal's gown and yung hair and makeup ko po, Nicole Miranda and Austin Acebra. Thank you so much!
Sir Ogie.
I'm wearing a Bon Hansen and styled by Mac Mendoza. Hugo Boss.
Here you go. Social ni Ogie, Hugo Boss. Dati Oshkosh Bigosh na. Hugo Boss na siya. From Oshkosh Bigosh.
I'm wearing Joy Guzman.
I'm wearing Valdrin Sahiti.
I'm wearing stripes with pads.
And carpet from St. Peter. Carpet from St. Peter.
I'm wearing V. Jaggy Clarino and styled by Aaron Mangsat. I'm wearing Francis Libiran. Okay. So, let's have one answer this. Saan kayo excited mamaya?
Sa pakain po. Masakit na rin